hearty wishes, sir. Now this is 2.414. Now here the numerical data is given: L is equal to 2.5 meter, B is equal to 0.71, L is equal to 1.775, E is equal to 210 GPa, A is equal to this, P is equal to 185, theta is equal to 60 degree, and sigma. Now first of all we can assume that is equilateral angle, but if we don't want to assume it equilateral angle, we can solve by this. Now if we have to find a missing data, now this as is it is in this. Now we all know that by the simple it is bend like this, and x is equal to b cos theta a and y is equal to b sin theta c. Now the triangle law, we also know that this formula is come, and theta b comes out, theta c is equal to triangle law, we get this. Now c is equal to, again by the simple trigonometric formula we get this, and c is equal to this. Now for bx as the result, as the redundant superposition analysis to find bx for bx1 displacement in x direction in raster structure by part 2, p at say sigma bx1 is equal to 1.27891 meter. The displacement equal force in AB divided by the flexibility of AB. Sigma bx2 is equal to bx into c upon EF. Equation sigma bx1 plus sigma bx2 is equal to 0. So bx is equal to minus EA upon c. Sigma bx1 is equal to minus 328.8 kilonewton. Static sigma f1 is equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus bx minus 2p minus 41.2 kilonewton. Now sigma ma is the moment, the moment. By is equal to half c 2p sin p plus p cos theta a 256.361. Now sigma fy is equal to ay p minus py minus 71.361 kilonewton. Now we get, by solving we get all the parameters like this. Now in maximum permissible value for load P if normal stress is 150 MPa is, now first of all we have to find this. We have the given, so comparable stress sigma AB is equal to sigma BC is equal to pressure upon area, so force upon area, so we get this. Now sigma AC is also force upon area, we get this. Now P max is equal to sigma upon sigma BC 233. When the downward load load P actward, then the horizontal load should be 2P, so it is get 466 kN. Stress in the BC is 150 MPa. Thank you, sir.